On the first day of 2026, Ukraine greeted the new year under intense tension as Russia launched a series of large-scale drone attacks across multiple regions, targeting power plants and other critical infrastructure, causing widespread outages and damage to civilian areas. According to Ukrainian authorities, their air defense systems intercepted most of the drones, but there were still casualties, including one reported death in Kherson and several injuries elsewhere, while President Zelensky assured that operations to protect citizens continue. Meanwhile, Russia claimed that a Ukrainian drone killed 24 people in Russian-controlled areas of Kherson, although this has not been independently confirmed, highlighting the ongoing battle in both the air and the information space. This incident underscores the continuing danger to civilians and the importance of energy security amid the war. And as the world watches the next moves of both sides, Ukraine remains vigilant against any threats to its territory and livelihoods.